Yo, namire bukmak Yolngu. Numakangama Yolngu Radio News.
Yo, lockdown by down. Tanya yutta important numberong tao COVID-19 by Ruki Yolngu uning numaka nina Darwin, Greater Darwin region, of Palmerston, ka rural area, ka also Kataran ngor. Nika Yolngu nina. Bukmak numberong Darwin. Yolngu bala daw ka Greater Darwin region ja ka Kataran ja ningun 3 days lockdown ngor ka lockdown jang ni start jan ko 12 o'clock midday on Monday the August 16th ka dawa irbong Thursday Northern Territory Chief Minister Michael Ganna wanga ka daw ngay grupan diram munyong kay nang ngay botun downhill on Thursday August the 12th kada diram mo ngiri bo ngay rally jamaw ka ngay diram ngiri bo rally ngiri bo ngay quarantine ngay ngunal Sydney for 14 days ngini lingi wala nyamal negative COVID-19 test ko before ngiri bo men quarantine ja quarantine mo ngay ngiri bo wala ngay marchin dawin la ngini ngay maram report test on Sunday night ka Northern Territory government may tengok kira mo test ngini tested positive ngay ngeta may ka reading COVID-19 na diangon bala na dawin na nidira mo ngini bunang on dawin ngay kamringi ngini ngeta ngini COVID-19 marki bola mere kurwanga kur public area ngor wanga mala public area ngini na dawin por ngay marchinga urunja ka ngona Kataran before ngay mal madat ngoni dawo ngoni ngay ka virus ngetam enti health workers tin maram nganya balan health springs na mama kanganya dia ngon balang ngolin maka dia ka bolu mistake yama ka ngay diul ngori politik to nanoko edi yul namuni re repoli ul wala ka dawo ripun COVID-19 ja to remote community ngomala Northern Territory so fine ngini anti health department to rakam ga bisa ni onga diram ngeta menga maka to book makil ngo safe the Northern Territory government to has lockdown wala book mak down wanga ngo area ngo ka Palmerston ga rural areas mune the Northern Land Council yo malagul mrangal book mak permits limurong lumdiak ka traveling with community mala from midday today August 16th to jangan bian gawang at kuning kay Yolngu ngay to marki kuning to community bele community kun wanga ngurayan to jangan meli at ngiti Yolngu markinga remote communities nyamala kuning Yolngu ning remote community kanina ka yakang ka lockdown kunina area ngor kuning mala essential workers na like health worker jama mer plecuman ka people kuning itu ngatagama ka supplies ripple mala communities mala yo if ni kanina wanga lockdown ngor ni do marti wanga la o wanga ripple mal mang safe ka niningon lekki ni do alaw jab ni do marti ripple jab ngiri malil ula nakumala so ni lor kun reasons kun tung iri pemain so ngai wang kaja reason nindo makin gana teman ngunyi wangan for medical service ko if ni werikton ka if you need COVID-19 test maram o vaccine tu nindo Marci ganat tamnong iniwanga ito bay ngata mirigit maram wada kiri mala ni you really need. If to leave the house, number 3 ngoja, if you leave the house, you are Indo essential worker, like health worker or emergency service jamamire. Ka number 4, nindo marchi ka exercise kuni ngula na kujal nindo jaso ni marchi to furi pe awa. Pat nito wangon ja kanina, wangon ren nito kanina. Kaya ka uri pruwangal marchi 5 kilometers away. Nukal wangal. O nito, ngani wangal if you, when you look after Yolngu ni ka support ni Yolngu. Kanito ngani wangal tartun nindo using nirpan mas no ngoro dal ilmere. If yakan you understand the rules ko, bulu daw ni jal, call 1-800-490-484. Keep listening to Yolngu Radio for bulu daw. Kapan jamala kadawar yun, COVID-19 gun, libay na infected ripon Yolngu. Manyingay kalkingong kalidiramal, manyingay ngunil kanina dawin, o gateren. Ka Chief Minister Michael Ganan wangan, make exposure sites jadwal wanga mala, means like wanga, like shop, or car park, yun to ni wanga mala, visiting marchan na jandi wanga kura. So jangan this kuni the most important mala ka polo dangerous exposure sites malawanga maladanja. Thursday August 12th, Qantas flight being Sydney market to Canberra. QF1429 that arrived at 10:20 a.m. Thursday August 12th, a Qantas flight to market being Canberra to Darwin. QF1984 and then arrived at 11:20. Friday, August 13th, Darwin Mini Mart on Smith Street, 6 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. Friday, August 13th, Salvatorian Italian Cafe, Naki Street, 10 6:30 p.m. Saturday, August 14th, Outback Steaks Curry, Mitchell Street, 1:45 to 3 o'clock p.m. Saturday, August 14th, Darwin Mini Mart, Smith Street, 2:40 to 2:50 p.m. Kanginay Catherine Moya, Sunday, August 15th, North Crossing Resort Reception, Rima, 1:15 to 2 o'clock p.m.
If you are at any of these places, you have to go straight home. Stay home and call this number, 1-800-490-484. That number again, 1-800-490-484. The NT Health staff will help you get a COVID test safely and will tell you what to do so that you and your family are safe. If you are in a lockdown area like Darwin or Katherine and are planning to return to Arnhem Land, you need to stay where you are until you hear more from the government. Flights from Darwin to Arnhem Land communities are only for essential workers. To keep everybody safe, police have checkpoints on the Stewart Highway and Arnhem Highway to check cars returning to Arnhem Land. The police will not let anyone drive from Darwin to Arnhem Land. People who are not living in the NT can leave the territory. Yolngu Radio is talking to the NT government to hear more stories about the situation. When we know more, we will let you know here on the radio and on Facebook. So please, if you are in Darwin, Palmerston, the Greater Darwin region or Katherine, stay where you are and listen to Yolngu Radio on 88.9 FM or online on the Yolngu Radio mobile app. Thank you.
Yo, thank you naman ko. Butur ko daw tambal Yolngu Radio le.